Hello everyone, my name is Gifty and welcome to my channel, The Zest Delight. On today's episode, I'm going to show you how to make this lovely chicken kebabs. So with this recipe, I'm using some boneless chicken thighs. You can choose to use any boneless chicken part that you want, but I'm using the chicken thigh because it's more tender and juicy. And here I'm cutting them into small sizes. So for our marinade, in my bowl here, I added some salt, some paprika, some turmeric, some curry powder, some all-pepper seasoning, some sugar, some cumin powder, some black pepper, some basil, some ginger paste, some garlic paste, lemon zest, and some Scotch bonnet. And I'm adding some plain yogurt. And if you want it more spicy, you can choose to add more chili as well. And I added some sunflower oil, and we're going to mix everything together. And we're going to use it for later. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you. So here our chicken has been washed and I'm adding some lemon juice as well. And I'm going to add half of our marinade to our chicken and the other half we're going to use it for later. So we're going to mix everything together and leave it for about 30 to 1 hour. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you. So whilst our chicken is marinating, we're going to prep our vegetables for our chicken kebabs. So I'm using some white onion, some red bell peppers, some yellow bell peppers, and some green bell peppers. You can choose to add mushrooms or any vegetables that you want as well. So you're going to clean everything and chop them into small sizes. And please don't forget to comment down below if you want me to do any recipes. Thank you. So here our chicken has been marinating for an hour now, and it's time for us to arrange our chicken and vegetables on our skewers. And I'm using the metal skewers as usual, and you can choose to use the sticks as well, but make sure you soak them into water to avoid it in burning in your oven. And please don't forget to comment down below, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And thank you for supporting the Zest Delight. So now our chicken kebabs is all prepped and it's on our rack and it's ready to be grilled. And now I'm adding more marinade onto our chicken, and please make sure you leave some on the side for later as well. And please make sure you preheat your oven at this stage, and my oven is on 400 Fahrenheit, which is gas mark 6, and we're going to cook it for about 10 minutes on each side. So as you can see, our chicken kebabs is almost done. It's all grilled on the other side. So we are going to turn it over and add more marinade onto it. As you can see, this chicken kebabs looks so juicy and tender. You need to try this recipe out for this summer. I'm telling you, please don't forget to try this recipe. And please make sure you subscribe to my channel and make sure you press the like button. Thank you. We are going to put it back into our grill for about 10 minutes as well. So now our chicken kebabs is ready and it's out of the oven and it's hot. And now I'm adding more sauce onto it to make it more juicy and tender. And look at how lovely these chicken kebabs look. And I'm telling you, you need to try this recipe out. You can have them with some naan bread, some potatoes, anything that you want to eat it with. I'm telling you, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you to all my lovely subscribers. Bye bye.